I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. This is just a for the hell of it video. Met a guy who became a friend, and he lives in Maui. I guess that's in Hawaii, you know, where all the people that like good weather live, apparently. And anyway, we got to talking. He's like, I want to buy one of your birds. So we just got to talking around. And what he ended up landing on, I believe, is what I affectionately call Harold. And Harold was a Mocha Simplex Pro headhunter of mine. It was black and black top, black nose and all that. And matter of fact, today, before he and I even talked about it, I thought I'm going to put a little bit of a hydro American flag type of theme on there, but it's actually American flag skulls. And I just want to do an overview before it goes to Hawaii. Look at this guy. I know the props don't match. My smoking hot wife said, you're going to change those props for that video, right? I'm like, no, fuck it. So we will change the props. But we're running 30 amp ESC BL Heli S's. This one's running a, I thought this was a DYS Pro. This one's running a CL Racing F4 flight controller, which is good. 600 milliwatt VTX, Foxeer Micro Aero, and my coveted X-Hover 2307 2500s. This thing's is just a fucking bottle rocket. It's just awesome. So without further ado, this does not have a receiver in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a receiver in there real quick. Probably just hot rod it to the top here, because he's going to put his own receiver in there, and we're going to take it out for a pop test. So off to JJ's cheap ass hat cam. Before we do that though, let's see what this thing weighs on the scale that tells a few lies. Not too many, though. All up with battery strap. 303. 304. That is really awesome. Considering these are massive fucking motors. So, very, very, very cool. So, we're going to go take this baby for a pop, and we'll be right back. Poof. All right, kids, we're doing this in a different part of the yard, just for different taste. My neighbor's house, my house. Anyway, so we just jury-rigged a quick receiver on here just to test this guy out. She's already plugged in. This should be hot, hot, hot. So, motor beeper. Nice. It's arm. Wow. Wow. Oh, she's hot. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. Ah, I love this bird. Not gonna get too crazy with it. He just wanted to see a pop test, so there's a pop test, brother. That's sharp.
You're awesome to control that.
Thanks. So there you go, kids. A little bit of line of sight. Hope you like it, Ron. Bam. Take care.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.